Good morning students. So today we will solve question 4th and 5th of exercise 4.1. Question 4th says frame word problems. What we have to do? We have to frame word problems. Okay, we have been given multiplication and we have to frame word problems. Okay, so we have to frame word problems for the multiplication sentences, and one example is given for us. First is 395 into 78. Okay, this multiplication is given. We have to form word problems, and so the answer is a shopkeeper has 78 cartons of apples. Okay, he has selected any topic. He has selected 78 cartons of apples. Okay, suppose there is small cartons. Okay, cartons of apples, and in that cartons apples are there, and each carton contains 398 apples. Okay, so this apple cartons contains 395 total. It has also 395 apples. It has also 395 apples. It has 95 apples. So similarly students, like that there are total 78 cartons. Okay, so there are total 78 cartons. We had to find out how many apples does the shopkeeper have. So this, like that, he has formed one word problem. So in B question we will also form word problem. 877 multiplied by 66. So let's suppose students go to picnic. Okay, and we will form word problems from there. So a class has, okay, suppose students, a class has 66 students, and they are going to picnic. Okay, suppose a class has 66 students and they are going to picnic. If expenditure, okay, expenditure means total kharche. If expenditure of one student, is 877, find the expenditure of total class. Okay, like that I have formed like these students. I have formed one word problem. Okay, suppose I have selected this 66. Suppose I have selected students, and 877 I have selected expenditures. So like this I have formed one word problem. Similarly for C, suppose if one worker earns 740 rupees in one day and he works for 59 days. So how many rupees he will earn? Like this I will form word problem. So suppose a worker earns rupees 740 in one day, then how many rupees he will earn in 59 days. Like that student, I have formed the second word problem. For question number D, you have to do that. You can select anything, 409 and 36 people or 36 day or any other thing, and you have to form a word problem. So this is your homework. Let's go to question number 5th. So question 5th says, here is a list of milk products available at Yummy Dairy with their prices. Okay, so students, there is one dairy product shop. Okay, that shop name is Yummy Dairy, and it sells different dairy products. Okay, means products which are available from milk. Okay, so that shop sells milk packets. Okay, he has only packet of 1 liter, and price of 1 liter milk packet is rupees 42. Okay, second things he sold is curd, okay, dahi, and 1 cup of curd is rupees 32. Second he sold buttermilk, okay, buttermilk is also made from milk, so buttermilk 1 can, okay, 1 can buttermilk price is rupees 30. And last he sold is yogurt, okay, yogurt is also very beneficial for health, it is also made from milk, so the price of yogurt is of 1 cup yogurt is rupees 28. So let's go to our question, what we have to find out. So these different things this shopkeeper sells, okay. So question first says Yummy Dairy sells 324 packets of milk, 126 cans of buttermilk, and 78 cups of yogurt in one day. How much does the owner of the dairy earns from sales? Okay, so he sells 324 packets of milk, 126 cans of buttermilk, and 78 cups of yogurt in one day. So what we will do, we will multiply it by their prices and we will find out total money. So students, our solution will be money earned from milk packets, okay. So he sells 324 packets and we need to multiply it by its price, okay. Price of bulk milk packet, what is the price of one milk packet? Price of one milk packet is 42, so let's multiply it by 42. So after multiplication it will give us 13,608, okay. Next we need to find out money earned from buttermilk, so 126 into 30 will be, after multiplication it will give us 3,780. Next money earned from yogurt, okay, how many cups he sells? He sells 78 and price of 1 cup is 28, so total answer will be 284. Now students, we have to find the total money earned, okay. To find the total money earned, we will calculate the sum of 13,608, 3,780 plus 2,184, okay. So 13,608 plus 3,780 plus 2,184. When you will add these three numbers, your answer will be 19,572. So the shopkeeper earns this much total money after selling these products. So question number B says, how much does the owner earns by selling 146 cup of curd and 917 packets of milk in 3 days? Okay students, here we will do the same thing. We have been given how many cups it sells and for how many days it sells and what is the price of each cup or each packet. So what we will do is, you will multiply 146 cups and price of 1 cup is rupees 32, and for how many days it sells? He sells for 3 days. So after that you will get the total answer, okay. And after that you will get the answer of these two products. You have to add these two products, okay, to find out the total earning. So students, see you in next class. How will you find out 146 into 32 into 3. So students, first what we will do is you will multiply these two numbers. Okay, so after solving these two numbers, it will give us 3 into 2 6 and 3 into 3 9. After this, students, you have to multiply these two numbers. Similarly here 917 into 30 into 3. Okay, how will you solve this product? So 30 into 3 will give us 90. Okay, after you find out these two products, okay, 146 into 96 and 970 into 19, after that what you will get, you have to add these two products. Okay, so this will give you your total earning. Okay students, and the question number 6 you don't have to solve from exercise 4.1. question number 6 you don't have to solve. Okay students, so prepare well for the test. Bye.